Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we talk all things beauty, from the latest must-haves to hidden gems that deliver. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to take your lashes to new heights. If you've been struggling to find a mascara that truly delivers on volume and staying power, you're going to want to hear this. Let's talk about Benefit's Bad Gal Bang Volumizing Mascara, the mascara that's all about bold lashes without the fuss. This mascara is designed to give you sky-high volume, but what sets it apart is the innovative brush. The Slimpact brush is specially designed to coat every lash, even the tiniest ones, from root to tip. With its 360-degree reach, it promises big volume without the clumps. Plus, it's smudge-proof and water-resistant, making it ideal for all-day wear. This mascara is also infused with provitamin B5, which is known for promoting lash thickness and strength, making it a great choice if you're looking to give your lashes a little TLC while enhancing their appearance. I've been using this mascara for the past couple of weeks, and I have to say, I was curious to see if it lived up to its claims. First off, let's talk about the application. The brush is definitely larger than your average mascara wand, but it's surprisingly easy to use. I found it simple to get into the inner corners of my lashes without too much product buildup. The formula itself is thick enough to provide instant volume, but not so thick that it leaves your lashes feeling weighed down or clumpy. When it comes to wear, I put it to the test through long days, humid weather, and even a few tearful moments. Hey, it happens! And I'm pleased to report, no smudging or flaking. My lashes stayed bold and defined all day. If you're someone who deals with mascara smudges around your eyes, this might be a game changer for you. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, the volume is definitely impressive. My lashes looked full and lifted after just a couple of coats. The water-resistant formula is also a huge win, perfect for those of us who need a mascara that can stand up to sweat, rain, or the occasional emotional moment. The provitamin B5 is a nice touch, offering a bit of lash care while delivering results. On the flip side, the size of the brush could be tricky for those with smaller eyes or shorter lashes. It took me a little getting used to, but once I got the hang of it, the results were definitely worth it. Also, while it gives great volume, I didn't notice much in terms of lengthening. If you're looking for a mascara that elongates your lashes as well as adding fullness, this might not be the one for you. Is this mascara worth the price? At Benefit's price point, you are paying for a premium formula with high-performance results. The smudge-proof, long-lasting formula and the volumizing power justify the cost, in my opinion, especially if you're someone who struggles with mascara smudging throughout the day. That said, if you're on a tight budget or looking for a more affordable option, there are certainly other mascaras out there that can give you similar volume, although you might not get the same level of long-lasting wear. As for packaging and build quality, I think Benefit nailed it. The sleek black tube with its fun branding is easy to store and looks chic on your vanity. Plus, the mascara dispenses the perfect amount of product with each application, reducing waste. I didn't need to reach out to customer support for any issues, but I know Benefit has a solid reputation for addressing any concerns or queries promptly. It's always reassuring when a brand stands behind its product. If you're in the market for a volumizing mascara, but don't want to break the bank, some alternatives worth considering include Maybelline's Lash Sensational or L'Oreal's Voluminous Lash Paradise. Both deliver impressive volume for a more affordable price, though you might miss out on the smudge-proof, long-lasting wear that Bad Gal Bang offers. So, does this mascara live up to the hype? Absolutely. If you're looking for a bold, volumizing mascara that stays put all day without smudging, this one's a winner. I highly recommend it for anyone who wants high-impact lashes that last. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you never miss out on honest beauty reviews like this one. If you've tried Bad Gal Bang, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.